he left with her from this village to an unknown destination.
Left? Left is an understatement.
Yeah.
I mean, she eloped. In short, the two of them disappeared.
Yeah.
But trust me, I will find out. And if I find out, do good will be yours.
Thank you.
And as for that girly face, if she is not mine, she had better go back to that man I had just paid her bride price. Because Madaya didn't donate more.
Again. Now you're talking. You know, I trust you 100%. And when all this thing ends like the way I expected it, trust me, I have a very good surprise of your life for you.
You will surprise me?
I will surprise you.
She said she was out. Okay, no, don't worry. I'm in. 100% in. Trust me. And when I mean I'm in. I'm in. It's you again. I am back at a full phone.
I don't know. I see you.
Okay. Just go. Hi, Omari. Just get out. Get out. Don't worry. I'm coming to see you. Okay. Hi. She said she will surprise me. She said, let me follow her. No. Let me go back. Hi.
Yeah, hello, ma. Yes. Oh, she's in Taraba State Detention Camp. Okay. No. I will personally fly down there right away. Yes. Oh. No. I'm not gonna wait for her to do the calling. I'll do the calling myself. Yes. I have the number. Thank you. Oh, no problem. Pluto.
Boss.
Her mother said she's in the NYC orientation camp in Taraba State.
But boss, I told you that I saw them in...
No. Don't worry. I called Japito and he told me that they're still in the local hotel. I am glad. And I will still slack like a big boy. But before then, we need to make this move.
What move, boss?
Let's go to the car.
But the original plan was not to come to hotel. My plan was for us to go to Amato, my friend's place as well.
Yes, my mother gave me some money, so I changed the plan.
Money? No. If your mother gave you money, that means the money she gave to you was Charlie B's money. Look, I said to myself that I will not have anything to do with Charlie B's money. Anything that concerns Charlie B, I can't know, not even his money. So return back this money. Let us move from here and go to Amato to go and cool off.
My love, relax. That is the only way to humiliate him. They will go around everywhere looking for us. Far, they will not see us. You see this room? I've paid for 1 week, including feeding.
1 week?
Yes. And guess what? I told my mother that I was going to Taraba State. Haji say Taraba, Haji Chobai.
To Taraba? Hey! Tata, Chiliki, Taraba. Nah, if you remember the transport from here to Taraba, you will relax. But
another thing is that I want you to make me pregnant.
Huh?
Yes, that is the only way to end this drama.
No. Do you know what you just said now? Very expensive talk. Pregnant. See, let me tell you, face. I said I will not touch you until we are confirmed husband and wife. I will not do anything with you. Have you forgotten in a hurry that I was a maid servant? Have you forgotten that in catechism, I'm about first. I'm the number 1 person in catechism. Every church activity that happens, I'm always punctual. I can tolerate anything. But this pregnancy go put on that one. I'm not supporting it. Hence, you said you've paid for this place for 1 week and the feeding and everything. I can take that one. You understand? By right, I'm not supposed to run. Look, I'm a man who I'm a very full-fledged man, strong man. I like facing my challenges and conquering them instead of running away. People pregnancy, remove it.
Oh my Lord, we are looking for solutions so that they will leave us alone.
We are looking for solution. No, mama, no.
I know that Charlie B will not like to marry second hand. You have to go. So get me pregnant. Everybody will just hands off. We'll get married and be together.
If you see, I have fear of God. According to what we are taught in catechism, don't go close to a woman who is not your wife until you're confirmed husband and wife. So relax yourself. After marriage, we can swallow one apple the way we want. I can consume you the way I want. But for now, whoop here.
Oga, just take it, See, everything, both the brake, everything is now working perfectly well. Just like the way it was when it was manufactured. I'm sure if your son rides this bicycle, he will know that another hand touched it. He will enjoy it, yeah. Just take it to him. Yes, take it to him.
I never knew you were this good. Having spent just a little time with Chief Doctor Do-Good Mwapaka.
Hi! Bazooka, you don't even know. You see, in this village, I am the real engineer in this shop. Yeah. You see all those things Do-Good is doing, he will come here, he's just pretending. He's even learning from me. I'm the real engineer. So don't mind. Don't mind all those. That name on the signboard, we're supposed to change it to Manga Bicycle Clinic, not Do-Good. Because he's just here pretending, telling people that he owns the shop. He doesn't know how to do anything. No?
Okay. How much do you want me to give you?
How much? Mazioka. Okay, anything you give me, anything your spirit tells you to give me, just give me, no problem. So that the spirit, the ministry will move to the next level.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Okay.
Anything. Anything.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Just take it to your son. Take it to him. Okay. He will confess. He will tell you to bring. Anytime he spoils, he will tell you to tell me to pay it for him. Take it to him.
Okay. Okay. My son will be grateful.
Yeah, just push it. Don't ride it. Push it. Push it to him. Hey, does he want to drive it? Is he driving it? Thank God. This one, like this one, they go one ball. As this come out, I will go to Madam Karu's shop and go and take one ball and be able to. How will I tight this one again now? I don't even know. So that is why it's not good to lose what you cannot tight. Okay, I think I removed this one. Okay, let me see if I put. Yeah.
Young lady, I'm glad for the information. I will still confirm.
Please try and do. Try and confirm. Despite the whole village, now you've paid her dowry, and she's now your wife. That Do-Good Nwapaka still took that girl to unknown destination.
What? Wait, you mean it was a conspiracy between her mother, her uncle, and the Do-Good whatever?
Bam! 3 of them conspired. They conspired though. They said you are a big fool. In fact, a bunch of fool. Like a money misroad. They must finish your money and still hand her over to Do-Good Nwapaka.
Me?
Yes.
Me fool? Money misroad? More?
Yes, that was what they said.
It's okay. Young lady, you can go now. Okay. Just leave the rest for me.
Hope you will do something about it.
Trust me. Goto.
Boss.
Let's rush down to the house and go back there now.
Oh
Somebody is knocking. Who is that?
Oh, it's the manager of the hotel, Javito.
Manager.
Oh, sorry for disturbing you.
It's okay. It's all right.
I just wanted to be sure that you guys are okay and the staffs are taking care of you.
No, we are fantastically okay. As you can see, smiles on our faces. That means we are okay. We've eaten enough and drank enough.
That's beautiful.
So we're okay. Thank you.
I guess I have to leave you guys now.
It's okay.
Listen, forget. Should you need anything, don't hesitate to call me.
Okay? We will not. It's okay.
Just continue what you guys are doing.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Yes, sir. This will like as caring as you are. Hey, we.
I'm a little one for do good, do not buggy. Engineer do good, do wabaga. Ima banjebe jebe, never.
What is it? There is fire on the mountain.
What fire? Which mountain?
Fire on the mountain. I saw Charlie B and some policemen
driving towards this side. Hey, now all of a sudden I saw him looking like about Abia way. I passed through Abia way to get to this place.
I suspect that they were discovered that Ife Tinachi is not in any NYSC camp, that she's on the run for your dear life. Awamo, Anamo.
Don't walk the door, run!
I'm going through the back. I'll go through the back. I'll meet you at the back.
Are you sure of what you just said?
I told you I am Manga Mojono. The brother to the friend of the friend of the main friend of the person that ran away with your wife.
Manga, I am not interested in them. I am interested in Madame Arokakwa and the other elder. Did you see any of them?
Madame Arokakwa, that one. I saw her running into the bush towards Abba Forest. As for that one, she has gone. But as for Mas Yokizie, I know where he is hiding. As a matter of fact, he is hiding in a cage at the back of his house. I can take you to that place and show you. Now,
take me there now. Let's go to my car.
Okay.
Nneka, how far? Wait, you mean he told the man all that? Yes. Hey. And he sent for police. See, I told you I have my plans. When he marries the face, do good will automatically come to me. And when he does, my father will now reveal the secret to him.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. My dear, you did a very good job.
Thank you.
You're a very smart girl, oh.
Can say that again.
That is why you're my friend. I'm so proud to have you as a friend, oh.
Thank you. See, please, don't you ever, for any reason, let anyone know about this.
No, I swear to you, I will not tell anybody. Never. I will, never. I cross my heart.
I love you. Thank you.
Oh, you're a very smart girl. Thank you. Oh, let's go to my house.
No, I'm not going. I'm going somewhere.
Don't want to eat rice. Okay.
Bye. I'll see you later. All right.
I will shut. Abraham, I am not the God. Look on me, Hey, Jalebi.
Thank you for the information.
Thank you.
I appreciate. Okay. One more thing. I have this money.
And please, if you know or have any information on how to get Madam Aruka Agwa, don't fail to let me know. I will. I will. Talibi onyenko Nkembo onye maaka I will never pay any other. I will never pay any other. Talibi onyenko
Who is it again?
Can take maybe our food, the person that is bringing our food.
It's okay. Anyway. Who is it? Who is it again?
Housekeeper, sir.
I told you our food.
It's okay.
Officer!
We got to report that people are selling and smoking Igbo here.
You see, selling and smoking. Officer, there is a mix-up, so
there is a mix-up, so we know. Maybe it is the other room.
Or even the other hotel.
We cannot be smoking. We just finished singing praises to God now.
It's inside now. Officer, it's not in this room. Probably in the next hotel.
Iboka. So maybe the other hotel. Or even the other. That's why I was Iboka. We just finished studying Bible. We just finished singing praise and worship.
What is this?
Yeah. Oh, it's a newspaper now about my colleague, Zeke Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Igbo? The both of you are under arrest. Move it.
Officer, there is mix-up.
When you get to the station, you're still there. Move it.
Iboka.
I said move it.
We didn't do the... How?
We don't know anything about it.
Okay, let me at least take my cap.
We don't know anything about this thing.
Let me take my cap.
Officer.
We didn't know how did we... Iboka? How did Iboka get into this place? Sir? We just finished singing hymns at hymn, Ancient and Modern. We just finished singing praises to God now. What is this?
Chapito, good one. Yes. Make sure he's locked up where hard men will deal with him. As for the girl, do not touch her. Don't touch her. Let them deal with him, so that the next time, if he sees her, he will run away. Alright, Japi. I will credit you.
Done, boss.
The fool is in cell. He will be dealt with before being charged. I will make sure he spends a year there. By then, she must have forgotten him and changes her mind.
Good one, boss. I know you never lose. Charlie B.
I am Charlie B. Can never lose. I am a winner. I always win. Get me my cigarette and my drink.
Alright, boys.
Fast. Fast. How will I convince the owner of this bicycle now that I cannot fix ordinary tire? I've lost what I cannot tie it. You will stay here, I'll be looking at you, you'll be looking at me. Let me know who will be.
Manga. You are not working.
I didn't see the aquarano, not to talk of a theater. What? It's just that I'm trying to fix this bicycle so that after fixing, I will go for testing and see if it is working.
Well, my brother do good. He asked me to be collecting money from you, and I've come to collect today's own.
How can do good Nwapaka ask you to be collecting money? Ever since he traveled, everybody that brings their bicycle to this place, they don't allow me to touch their bicycle. Ha! Anytime they come and they will say, where is Chief Engineer Dr. Dogood Nwapaka? I will tell them he's not around. They will say, okay, they will go. When Dogood is back, they will come back. That is what they always do.
Wait. You mean to tell me you've not been working? You know you lie a lot, and I don't trust you. In fact, don't go and wait to conductor got started driver, driver will start conductor. You can't tell me you've not worked any money.
I've not worked any money. The only person that came to this place is Mazioka. And you know, I'm still an apprentice now. I've not started repairing. I'm still learning under Dogood Nwapaka. So when he came, he asked me where is Dogood. I told him the Dogood is not around. Then he said, okay, he will go back with his bicycle. When Dogood comes back, that he will bring back his bicycle. And Dogood Nwapaka, the chief engineer, will work on it. What will I do?
Where
is he? Do you see this animal?
Animal?
This animal!
Where's the animal?
Scattered my son's bicycle.
Where's the animal?
He almost killed my son.
Chineke.
I brought my son's bicycle for repair.
Okay.
I asked of engineer Dogood Nwapaka. He said he is now the chief engineer.
Manga, you
could. How can I say that kind of thing?
That he is the one teaching Dogood how to repair bicycle.
Is he?
Also, I didn't say anything.
I even paid him more money.
Where is the money?
Ego.
When I was sitting in my house, my son came back heavily wounded. I asked him what happened. He said when he was descending towards Ofama River, he tried to hold the brake. Even the chain, nothing was working. Yes, he tried everything until he finally landed into a big pit.
Hey, Manga.
If not for the help of the people passing by, what will have happened to my son?
Hey!
My only son, for that matter.
Manga,
you must die today.
Hey! Yo, you saw this.
Bring the money before you die. Let me bring the money.
You would have allowed me to kill him.
Mazi, please, don't be offended. Don't worry. If my brother Dogood Nwapaka, engineer Dogood Nwapaka, if he comes back, I will report that boy to him. I'm so sorry, Biko. Biko. Hey! I knew it.
You know what are you saying?
My dear, the worst has happened. They arrested my Dogood. Hey! I want to know if my mother discussed anything with that stupid issue that Charlie B. Because it was a frame-up. How can it be said that my own Dogood, Otom, Ginko Jibweme, what is he doing with ganja? It was a frame-up.
See, as I'm speaking with you now, your mother is on the run. Yes, Charlie B came to your house with policemen to arrest your mother and Okeze. Luckily for your mother, she escaped and Okeze was apprehended. I'm not sure Okeze knows where you are.
Hey! Oh, I warned my mother, but she wouldn't listen. I warned her. Now, why is she running? She would have stayed now. Why in America? She would have stayed.
Don't you think it's better you go and marry Charlie B? Charlie B has money. Dogood is very poor.
Oh! Neka! Hey. Mind yourself. If you... I'm leaving you because of one thing.
Be running around now. When you don't running around, you will still go and marry Charlie B and I will marry Dogood. Nyala.
Maga, what is it now? What is chasing after you?
You've not heard?
What is that?
Hey! See, there is a serious invasion. Take over of Ndina Chefi in this land. Run for your life.
Wait. Efi or Ndina Chefi?
Mandina Chefi, Mefi itself. Everybody, they are all on rampage.
Hey!
Everything is under control. Run, I'm going.
Hey!
Chioma.
Ogini.
What is your problem? Are you not perturbed that your brother is in cell for what he knows nothing about? Are you not?
What do you want me to do? Eh? Leave him alone.
Mba.
You tricked him. Only God knows where you people went to. Now he's in detention for selling ganja. You go and free him. And after which, you free him from your life. Because I told him that you are going to kill him.
Chioma, I am very disappointed in you. Disappointed.
You better be. And for your information, Neka is standing by as his wife to be. If my brother should marry Neka now, all this wahala with you and your mother, you won't be facing it. Eh? Go and marry the American man, Jegno. Because I'm troubled in
Where is he?
Who? Your husband?
Whose husband? Charlie B or whatever he's called. Go in there, call him for me.
See, if you want to see your husband, I'll call him for you. But if you want to see whosoever he's called, I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you alright? You think I'm joking? You think I'm here for jokes? Go in there and call your boss for me.
I ask again, are you talking about your husband? I can call him, like now.
Mr. Man, I'm not married. Go in there and call your boss for me. This minute.
I've told you if you want to see your husband, I'll get your husband for you.
Fine. Yes, fine. Just go and call him for me.
Alright, have a seat. Let me get your husband.
After, I don't answer what you can come here.
Caterpillar will never answer me.
Okay? So now woman, I flame you up, call land you for Yabi.
Jesus!
Now woman, now woman go collect money for your head. Cash you mugu. You fuck off.
Sir, see, this person you're talking about is my woman. In fact, this person is my love. She cannot do a thing like that. It's not possible. She can't do it.
So you not believe in a woman, you don't believe Abi? You not believe me? Akila, what I do with her?
You know, say another country. This man not being intentional. Just come on. Come on, sit down. Nanya. If I slap you now, I go forget your name.
Nanya. Okay, please. See, I don't have bone. They all got disjointed.
Don't do love inside, sir. Don't go fire here.
You fuck up. Hey, please, okay, tell them, sir. How is your family?
This man Jones.
How is it?
Hey man, tell me no. Hell no, I need my money. I told her I was building a hotel and something came up, so I left it like that. I think the finish of the project. Tell me that again, I don't want to hear what I'm saying. No. Hold on. Pluto, what is it?
She's here, boss.
If is?
Yes, boss. The plan worked out perfectly well.
I told you, I am Charlie P. I never lose.
You are the Capone, boss.
Let's go.
That's a shanga.
Hey! Oh. Sir?
Did that say shanga? No, they stop.
Sir?
Did that say shanga? No, your macari come here.
Sorry. Okay. Honestly, I believe you now. Everything you said, you are right. Yeah?
Guy, did that say shanga?
I didn't even know that girl is a witch. That girl is a wizard. Yeah? See, everything you said about that. Everything you said about that girl is true. See, I will no longer me talk to that girl again. I will not again.
Well, very good, very good. Well, my name is Ian Caterpillar.
Eh? Caterpillar. Okay, honestly, I just say your name na Bulldozer. Because the moment I entered this place, the way you were looking, you look more than a caterpillar. I thought you were Bulldozer. Because your slap was a Bulldozeric slap. Each time you give me all I hear is Budo. So I thought you were a bulldozer. But it's okay, caterpillar with bulldozer tire. That is what you.
Well, I said I may be caterpillar.
Yes, sir.
So if you manage to come out for here, tell me man when you stay for outside say, na big fuck up for woman to make man enter cell. Guy, you fuck up. You fuck up.
Are they crazy? Am I stupid? With all these beatings, all these bulldozeric beating.
Are they talk? You they talk, Abi?
No, I talk. I don't talk. I was just,
Call him name. What's his name? What's his name?
Caterpillar.
They dance in Shanga. They dance in Shanga. They dance in Shanga. They call Caterpillar. Caterpillar. They Shanga.
Which one?
In Shanga.
That's American. I don't know that one. In Shanga.
I know you have a hand in this.
Hey, wait. Have a seat. That's if only you want me to listen to you. Just sit.
I know you have a hand in this. I want you to release him. Else, I will do something.
You will do what? Huh? So, instead of talking to a husband like a wife should, and covering yourself, your shame of mingling with a drug dealer and a bull smoker, you are here accusing me for meddling in little things like arresting Mr. Do-Good or whatever.
Ow! My head is burning.
If I have what it takes to free that peasant. If you don't believe me, fine and good. He will rot in jail.
No, you will do no such thing. You are going to release him and Uncle Okeze. And you will stop chasing after my mother. Listen, she's going to refund everything you have given to her, especially my dowry.
I can see you are not serious. When you are serious, you will return home to your husband, and I will free them as a good in-law and the kind man that I am. Abukwan mezibo mwadu. Me what am.
Wait! We are not done.
Why do you want to ruin your life? Why not submit to him? Free yourself and your people. Or would you want to suffer forever? Huh?
Very stupid boy. Okay. Wait for me. Wait for me, I am coming for you. Look at him.
Yoma. What is it? What is happening?
Is it not manga? He made me run the kind of race I never had since I left secondary school. Eh?
What happened?
He told me that herdsmen invaded us. And I ran with my heart, almost dropping.
See, if it's manga, you better stop believing whatever thing he's telling you. Wait, so let me say something more important to me. Did you by any way see Ife's? Or be looking for her and what she's up to?
No. Go to their house and look for her. Let me continue myself because today I will deal with that boy.
Yes. Please take it easy with him, oh. Here.
Oh, is that why you came here? Age the picture of walking up, left and right. Here. Now listen, if anything happens to my husband for your sake, you will regret it. Because I will assemble the whole village Tell them how you abandoned your husband after paying your dowry and followed an armor. And chased your mother into exile and even killed my own husband. Nobody will forever forgive you. You know that. Now, if I don't see my husband by this time tomorrow, bet me, I will call the whole villagers. I will tell them. Let's see, the kind of treatment you will receive is the one you'll be subjected to, that you will forever regret it. We shall see. If even I may Maggie, if I were you, I would have looked for a place to go and hide. Twa! No, call it.
I've been sold. I have been sacrificed. I've been messed up. What is left for you, Ife's?
It is love, Sansi Hunanya. That is my evil. It is love, only Hunanya. That is my sin. She is my choice. See me, see love. He is my choice. Engineer, do good. Makije love, police ya logo jobo nisima because of love. Akwije love, yeah yeah. Akwije love, yeah yeah. Onye got some, yeah yeah. Who will help me, yeah yeah. Yega baliama, yeah yeah. Yega baliawaga, yeah yeah.
Good girl and good wife of Charlie B. I'm going to marry them and wait for me. Just one call. I mean one call. 2 of them shall be released. As for your mother, we shall look for her wherever she is and bring her back. Toto. Jabito, there's a new development. Yes, you have to. I am Charlie B. Eze uncle. If I that cable sapata. Onye kwela hotel ya. Imakwa na aka nye wele go bega aka. N'ifi ka de mo do.
My in-law, is a woman mother. Fantastic woman being. Your kind is not two in this village. Honestly speaking, each time I think of you, I say to God, why didn't you make this person three? One in this our village, one in the other village, and one in the other village. There will be no more war in this world. That's to say how nice you are. Is a woman mother. Mazi, okay, see, Ebekis, where are you coming from?
Oh, from that place they call Hellfire. Aqua Hellfire they call Cell. Hellfire.
Cell. Do you know I am actually coming from cell, from the cell?
Cell too.
Cell. Honestly speaking, but wait, who put you there? Who locked you up?
Aqua, that good for nothing idiot. That Ekwensu, that devil incarnate, that boy, that Chukunagakmoko, that stupid.
When you can fashion who is God preparing this fire for? Who is the person?
That boy that came to pay for Ife's dowry.
Hey! Hello! So it's you! You! Let me tell you. I'm here. I was here raining praises to you. That boy even made a mistake. He would have taken you. He said he took you to cell. You called it hell. By right, the kind of hell that you're supposed to inherit by your wickedness, by your act, your own hell, they're supposed to surround it with 3 refineries that will be burning, that's supplying fuel to the hell 24 hours. That is what you deserve. Yes, you're a wicked person. You went and you connived with other people, nonsense people, and collected money. But I tell you something. In your very before in this village, okay, make it Nanya, it is going to do Vananya. My love for Ifesi will continue growing like an iroko tree, that will not come down. Killing you is wasting bullets because you're already a dead man. In the end, look at you, one common flesh you cannot add on top of yourself.
I don't care about you.
You don't care, look
you can sell it to you.
Look at you. In this village, I am going to profess my love. To me, cell is a comfortable zone for you. Judging by your crime, you're supposed to go to maximum security prison where they put people who are going for firing squad because you stole. You collected money from somebody. That is equal to criminalism in the Constitution of Nigeria, Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and other sections where they're very close to them. That's where they're supposed to put a vagabond like you. Nonsense man. You went and collected money. Then, in fact, you deserve firing squad though. That's what you deserve. Look at you, that's why you don't put, from year to year, don't add one flesh on top of you. Since I know you in this village, you're poor, electric pole. In fact, electric wire, that's what you are. I wonder how your wife feed you. Don't your wife feed you? You disgrace your wife in public. You reach anyone issue. You don't go here for a now. More one nigga. Choma, you're wicked. I thought me, Choma. You are very, very. In fact, you're worse than Jezebel. Choma, so I thought I have a sister in you. All my stay, I was in cell, that hell called cell, cooling off. Choma, you couldn't come looking for your brother. Even for 1 minute. Choma, you could not come. You are coming, you're running to embrace me. One nigga. Choma, you are wicked. You are wicked.
Brother.
Sister.
Where do I start looking for you? Did you tell me where you were going to? And even that your face of a girl, she came here and she didn't tell me where you are. So how am I supposed to know?
You are asking me, where do you go looking for me? Choma, you're asking me. No, you should have gone to a shrine to go and look for me in the shrine. Choma, you should have gone to Utonkom to go and look for me. If you don't know where to look for me, look at you. You don't have sense. As a matter of fact, I am now convinced that I'm alone in this world. Yes, I am alone in this world. the only person that matters to me, that means the whole world to me now, is Ife. Because Ife was the person who came to prison, to the cell and said, look, do good work, you're going to be released. Finally, I was released. Choma, you could not do anything. You couldn't. In fact, Choma, I wish it was you that died and Mama living. Mama would have come looking for me in the prison. You call yourself my sister. More. Okay, no problem. Let's change it. I wish Papa was alive for you to die. Papa would have come looking for me, not you. Let me tell you. Okay, which of them do you want to resurrect for you to die?
Let them remember where they are. Let me remember where I am.
Choma. Let them remember where they are.
Yes.
Which means you kill them. Choma, which means you killed our parents. For you to say, let them remember where they are. Choma, my Hebrew. You owe me. Good answer. Each Mungu answer. Okay, let us make it peacefully now. Which of them do you want to resurrect for you to die? None. Choma, happen. Choma, leave this shirt. This shirt is expensive. Leave this shirt. This shirt is Italian. This shirt is Italian. Choma, you're going to tell this. Let me tell you, even in prison, even in cell, they were telling me to dash them the clothes. I said no. Leave this shirt. One of the policemen there said, look, when you're leaving, dash me this Italian shirt. You want to sell it. If you try it, I'm going to get you for
Nayo Kezie, I'm sorry for everything. He's the one that released you people. I don't know my mother's whereabouts. Her phone is off. But that's not a problem. I know where she might be. I've granted you people's wish, as you can see. I'm now with Charlie B. So this sort of thing will not happen again.
Well, I'm glad you're now with him, because my next plan was to relocate to Oguda.
Oh, come on, Onai. You don't have to do that. No need for that at all. Okay? From here, I'll be heading to my grandmother's place. I'm sure my mother will be there. Meanwhile, take this. Okay. Now you have this. Use it to buy medicine and take good care of yourself, okay? I'll be on my way now.
Thank you.
Let me tell you, Manga. Manga, if somebody would tell me that you behave this way, I will not believe it. All the money that woman I go on Manga will do a thing like this to me. Even this one that I came to your house yesterday from this thing to come and clean my face and use your visitor, I wouldn't have done it. Man, I can go Manga. You see all this nonsense you went and said behind me? You thought I would not know. I have heard everything you said. It is no longer surprising to me. My most important thing now is, for some days now, I have not seen my face. I don't even know. I've been calling her on phone. She doesn't pick. I'm sure she's crying now. No. Crying for our love and for the sake of this thing.
Sorry.
See, it is that bagger, that nonsense person that has been terrorizing my face. See, you see this weapon of warfare, this one that God manufactured for me, I will use it and dismantle his face. In fact, you see that thing Delilah did to Samson? That is what I will do to him now.
You will not understand. You will never understand. Let's go.
If you do this, I'll slap you. Don't do this, you know. Do good. Hey! Do good. No. I'll slap you. I'll just slap you now. Do good. Do good. Hey, thank God you're here.
What is it?
It's do good. Do good Wapaka. He's dead.
It's a lie.
Hey! I said do good is dead.
My brother?
Our brother. Do good is dead. See, if you don't hurry and follow me to that place now, you see there are 2 gates in heaven. One is hell, one is purgatory. Anyone that opens first, before we get to that place, we enter if we don't get there on time.
Manga, you think I'm ready for your lies today? Well, I am not ready to entertain any.
Look what I know. Me? Lie? For who? In short, if I lie, let me die. Do good saw Ifesi at the back of Chalibi's car, enjoying Tuoyi, enjoying herself. Do good fainted.
Hey, Atokamo!
I have been trying to revive him. I couldn't. I will carry him. In short, I am finished.
One day, one trouble.
It has happened. I told you.
What
It has
happened?
happened. Dugu the one Baka saw Ifesi at the back of Charlie B's car, and he fainted.
Hey!
Ifesi is now with Charlie B, making the good free for me.
So where is he now?
He's still lying where he fainted, now claiming he wants to die.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I can't believe you're saying this. Instead of you to help save him, you're here jubilating that it's going to be yours.
Here. What should I have done now?
Please, let's go and save him, Joe. Come, let's go. Brother, what are you doing to yourself? Please, let's go inside so you relax.
See, I want to die. I want to die. Yeah? If you have water pia, bring it for me. If you have a kill and dry, bring it. Eri, that is chop or no chop, you will die. Bring it. Even poison, bring it. Cement mix water. What am I living for? I want to die. If face will have the guts to do a thing like that to me, what am I living for? I want to die.
Did I warn you? Did I not warn you? Oh. Now, between love and money, which one is more powerful?
Money is more powerful now.
Are you serious?
Yes, money is more powerful. You want to die? Also, cement mix in me. What of mosquito coil? Do and die. That's the quickest one. Yeah? I have always known that there is no love within this. She never loved this man. She's just.
Leave him now. He's saying the truth. Leave him.
Who asked you?
Hey!
Who asked her?
Who
asked you? Who asked you? I don't want to have BP problem. In our time, CPC. Permission.
Never someone. Hey, I was away.
I am so happy you're now with them. Charlie B.
And you people don't want me again, okay?
Mama, how can you talk like that? You know, I did this because of you. Because of your freedom. Uncle Keze's freedom and do good Wabaka.
And your sister.
And my sister, of course.
Please, let me give you a hug for that. Papa, don't get up because you will make me look sharp. Wow. You smell good.
Mama, you will never change.
Now I can enjoy. Because after that escape, it was not easy. I didn't know you'd eventually save us. Thank you for the freedom. And then the second topic. When am I flying in Nigerian Airways?
Mama, don't worry, very soon.
How soon is soon?
Very soon.
Very soon. Hey! You know I'm okay.
Charlie B.
Japito.
So you now have a wife, right?
Wife waiting. I said they marry. Look, Japito, let me tell you. Fresh, naive girls are the best to push things. Yes. I will load her with the substance and set her off to Dubai as early as tomorrow. If she sells and the business becomes successful, I will be making $400,000. Meanwhile, I bought her with just $10,000. And I have been screening her for the past 2 days now.
You know what? Your business sense amazes me. You did the same thing in Amweke, Afonta, and Amanto. Grab a pretty girl in the name of marriage, use her for money before our very eyes open. I must confess you are a genius.
Jabito, now I'm the real deal, right? I don't lose. I always win.
You know what? I would like to be like you when I grew up.
Jabito, if I must ask you, so you've not grown, eh?
No, you are the master, you are the game planner. I'm just learning from you.
As big as you are.
You are the master.
Leave me! Man, leave. I'm warning you. Leave me. Is it your die? Is it your life? Let me die. Let me die. I want to go to Arukakwa's place. Let me go and confirm from Arukakwa that the PSC has been given to another man. In her very before, in her presence, I will kill myself and I will bury myself. Okay. What I want you to do is, after killing myself, go and announce to everybody how I killed myself and how my blood is on her head and how I buried myself. Inania?
I won't allow you.
Manga, leave me.
You will not die.
I'm telling you.
I will not
leave me.
No. You are still very important to
Who is important to you?
Do good. What is your problem?
Leave me, oh Manga.
You are not.
What's your problem?
Please.
Let me tell you, Manga. Please. If you want me to go back to that house, my house,
let's go back. Let's go back.
It's not possible. I cannot go back.
I will go and meet Madam Aroka by myself.
Good.
Then I will tell her everything and I will come back. Let's go
if
back.
it is for me to go back to that house, I will not go because the decision to kill myself was made in that house. So I will not go back to that house alive. I will go back as a dead body. If you are going to go to Arokakwa's place to go and do one or two things, go! I will accept that one. I will be here waiting for you to come and give me feedback.
Wait.
Manga.
Wait.
Okay.
You want to kill yourself?
Yes!
Okay, wait.
I want to kill myself.
You have made up your mind to kill yourself.
Since yesterday.
You want to die?
Yes.
Do good work, Baka, you want to die.
I want to die. I want to die.
Wait now.
Where will you start from? Where will I start from? Stand. Kuro here, let me show you how I'm going to kill myself. Manga Kuro.
No, I want to do.
Hey!
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Do good.
You see, you are the most chosen, unfortunate one. Someone who is going to pick the briefcase will be waiting for you at the Dubai airport. I know you've not traveled before, but don't worry. Somebody will help you until you depart and on your arrival.
It's okay. I heard everything you said, right from the passport office.
Very well then. Pluto.
Boss.
Take her to the airport. When you get to Enugu, someone will be there to help you.
It's okay.
Hey, thank God. Thank God I finally found you. Chief Engineer Do Good Mwakbaka. You see that madman you left here? He almost killed my son. Look at his bicycle. He has destroyed it. As I'm talking to you now, this bicycle has no life. Please, I want you to breathe life into it.
As Jesus Christ. No, you want me to breathe life into it as Jesus Christ that goes about giving life to non-living things. I should breathe life into a non-living thing. Bicycle. Mazoka, let me tell you. As I speak to you now, I don't have a life. When you came into this place, you should have looked at my face. If you did, you would have noticed that I don't even have a network on this face. Those who do not have network are those who don't have life. So I don't have life to give to your bicycle. As a matter of fact, I am under depression. The devastation that is agitating me, 10 of this your bicycle put together cannot make me whole, cannot make me strong. So Mazioka, let me announce it to you. I don't have life of my own. I am looking for somebody who is going to give me life. So I don't have a life of my own, let alone having a life to distribute to a non-living thing.
Okay then, should I go and come back?
Mazioka, you've asked a question that when a child asks such a question, instead of the mother, no, Mazioka, you can stay if you want to stay. If you want to go, go. As you can see, every customer that came into this place noticed my depression. They left. Some came and saw, they left. If you decide to sit with me, there's no problem. You can sit and share in my devastation and see how I am mourning. So whichever one you want to do, do. Because as I speak to you, what happened to me or what is happening to me, Omega, if it happens to you, if from malaria, fever, you will collect. Gono, you will get it. Rare, Igeji, die.
God forbid bad thing.
If I become more angry, if you get to your house, you collect I. V is waiting for you in your compound.
I rather go without getting infected.
Or to stay. Which one?
I'm going. So that I will not get infected.
If they have somebody like you too in somebody's burial, there will be shortage of food. You get a shortage.
How are you doing? Fine, oh. How's Martin? What's that?
Sure, you've heard.
Heard what?
That, what's that? That Ife, what's that her name? Okay, what? I don't even care to know her name. She has left my brother.
Are you serious?
Come. This is the perfect time for you to key in.
Yeah, right.
As I always predicted and wished. Neka, my brother is in pain now. Go and comfort him.
Right
comfort him, ultimately be his wife. Start going, no time.
Yeah, I'm going there right away. Thank you. She's gone and she's gone forever. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, come on, come and lean on my shoulder. Come now. But she's no more for you now. Come and lean on my shoulder. Don't worry, just forget about her now. Why are you doing like this? And no wonder we definitely win your heart. Yes. Yes. Where are you coming? Oya, come on. She has left you, and I'm here for you. Oya. No, don't do this. Don't do it, please. You don't have to do this. There is more to life than dying for love. Please, you don't have to do it. Don't worry, I will help you get her back. Yes, I will. She told me her plans.
She did?
Yes, she did.
Toto, what happened?
Boss, the Ethiopian flight was cancelled, but they will fly same time tomorrow.
Shit! Why do these guys keep disrupting my plans? Now I have to plan again. And it takes a lot of money and time to plan this. Oh shit. I've planned how this will get to Dubai from Enugu.
Calm down, please. Why so worried? It's just a flight cancellation and it affected everybody, not just me. Is there any other thing to it?
No, my queen. No. Not really. You see, you're my wife. You're my life. You're my everything. I don't know why they are putting you through this. I wanted you to just have a smooth sail, get to Dubai and meet the guy that will take you around and for you to pick up all the beautiful things I wanted to buy.
It's okay. They say we will fly tomorrow. Tomorrow is just a night away, okay? Don't worry yourself. Let me just relax and freshen up. I'll go see my mother later in the day. It's okay.
Tonto, take her bags inside my hotel room. And please, do take her to see her mother whenever she wants.
Alright, boys.
I'm so sorry. I had to say something just to stop you. The truth of the matter is that I have no information on her or how to get her back. I just want you to leave. Because it is who is alive that will love and be loved.
Obioma. My wish is this. My candid wish is that I see her face to face. Even if she has reasons to say it is over, let me at least see her face to face. Let it be told to me face to face. Then I will know what to do. I will know next step to take.
It's okay. Just go back to work. Be a strong man. Who knows, you might get that chance again. Just rise. Please rise.
Do good. That was fast. I can see you already found my replacement.
Do you know what your name is supposed to be called? Intruder. Ojene Fife. I expected that you begin to apologize or explain. All you are saying is you didn't know I have found a replacement. If it's over a little temptation, just small trial, you fell. If it's you won like aqua. If it's you made me fall in love with you. I fell in love with you believing that I have gotten the woman of my life. If it's you made me took an oath with you. You made a lot of promises to me. I believed that I have gotten the woman that I was looking for. If it's I did not know that they were all lies. All to our age, none of them was truth. If it's and you're here telling me one thing that you left me. You left me after the love, after the oath to another man. You followed a stranger, all of a sudden.
Listen to me, do good. If I had not done what I did, you'd probably be in jail by now. In prison, precisely.
Let me be there. If yes, I would have preferred to be in that prison than to be alive. Watch you go to another man. What am I living for? What am I living for? Tell me. To watch you, if yes, go to another man. After all the promises we made to each other. The oath we took, the covenant, you did not mind. You did not mind, if yes, it's wrong also.
Listen, I just tried to save your life. And in doing that, so many things happened. And I'm sorry I can't go back.
You can't, though. If you can. If I can smell deceit. I sense you being used. If get in touch with your brain. If you can relate with your brain, you will see that a man who brandishes money on a girl he barely knows has mission. He has purpose. That guy is fake. By look of things, the way he brandishes money, the way he spends money on you, I can say that that guy is fake and you cannot watch it. Nothing can change it. I tell you, Ifesi, you can change. You can do something about it. Haponya. Leave him and come back to your love. Come back to your true love. Come back to our dream. Ifesi, you can do it.
Can't.
You can. You can.
I can't. I've tasted pleasure, affluence, pampering. I'm sorry, I can't go back to a bicycle man. I'm sorry. Listen, I now fly all over the world. I can do whatever I want to do at any time. Okay, so anyway,
I was just passing by and decided to stop to say hello to you. But I can see you're very busy, so I'll just rush back to my air-conditioned car because this place is very hot.
You have tested pleasure. You have tested pampering. You fly all over the world. Are you a witch? When did you grow wings to be flying all over the places?
It's okay.
No. Let me tell this thing. Let me tell you, Obioma, I sense this girl being trapped.
It's okay.
Being trapped in a trap that she cannot escape easily.
Let her be.
Kwanobuda, you are here. In your very before it is going to happen, and you will tell me, oh, I said it. Yes.
It's okay. Let her be.
Obioma.
It's okay.
Fine, no. Welcome.
How did you go?
Nemo, not too well though, but I will try more, Sha.
I feel for you.
Do you know what will happen? Let's go to the house.
Yes.
I would want him to come back and meet you cooking his favorite food.
Yes. And that would be better.
I'm telling you. And also have so many other things to tell me.
Thank you.
Obi Dikeh.
What is it now?
Stop getting angry now.
Don't try that again.
You're making your face like this. You know it's not good. Fine girls like you are not supposed to be pokaring their faces.
What is it?
When you're even asking me this now, you're even getting afraid to tell you what I want to tell you. Okay, but no problem. Maybe somebody made you angry, but I'm sure if I tell you what I have to tell you, you will smile. Smile now. Okay, love, don't be offended. Let me tell you. You see, I've been longing to tell you this thing for a very long time now. But today, I decided let me just say it, make it very clear so that you understand me.
Please, just say it and be fast about it. Please, don't waste my time.
Okay. I want you and I to be Romeo and Juliet. I will be your Romeo, then you will be my Juliet. I told you if you hear it, you will laugh.
You?
Yes, it's me, Manga.
Me? Romeo and Juliet?
Yes, Romeo and Juliet.
Why?
Why? It's me. See, we'll be acting Romeo and Juliet. But the only thing is that nobody will die. Even if you want to die, but just allow me to love you first. So that after everything, you will like it. You know, be a Juliet film. We'll act it. And
thank you.
I know you will like it, you see.
Come on, will you stop that?
Huh? Even you. Wait, is it that I am not man enough to be loved? Huh? It's not as if am I smelling? Okay, look at Do Good now. Everybody, every girl in this village wants to mingle, wants to accept him. Why is it that every girl in this village rejects me? Do I have a family problem? Okay, I know what to do.
Safe flight, my love. I have arranged everything. You are going to have an amazing life over there.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Be safe,
I will. Bye.
Yes! I can smell millions of dollars coming. receive it. Go, slave girl. Go and make millions for me. Ezenko.
Target. I just went to do 1 or 2 services outside the work. I just came back now, and here you are.
Hey.
Right on time.
Welcome. Welcome. Look at what I bought for you. I bought food for you.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. I'm not hungry.
Do good work, Baka. Eat the food. Nneka loves you. She really loves you. And you know, the quickest way to heal is to use love and heal love.
Tell her.
If face is gone, you need Nneka now to replace her.
Obioma, I know what I need. If there's any person I need, I know the person that I need. As a matter of fact, I don't believe in anything called love. Love does not exist. My priority now, where I am concentrating, is my work. Believing that one day God is going to promote me from here, keep me to where I belong. You understand? So I don't need love. I know who I want and what I want. Yota?
At least, take the food and eat. Open your heart to good things. Eat something.
Obioma. Is it for us to start, bantering words? I said I don't want to eat. I am not hungry, and I don't believe in this.
Nneka, drop the food. We'll come back later to come and pick the plate.
Come and buy me.
Eat something.
Let's enjoy. Let's marry. Let's have fun. In a few hours, I'm going to have a profit of $400,000.
Wow.
So let's enjoy. Yeah, hello. So what are you saying? What? Wait. Why is Michael not on duty? He was sacked yesterday. No. I'm dead. I am dead.
What is happening, boss?
Pluto. Pack all the outings. We're vacating this place. They are coming for us because Ifes has been alerted at the airport. What? They are coming for us. Let's go. Go.
Hello? I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, listen and listen real good. I don't know what you're talking about. Check your phone. Check the number that is calling. It's a wrong number. I am not a hotel manager. Are you hearing me? I am a mortuary attendant. As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm embalming a dead body. Jukes, hurry up. Don't call this line again. Is that clear?
You mean they just left not quite long ago?
Yes, they did not say where they were going.
Officer, let's quickly get to the guest mother. Before that one escaped too. She might know where she is. Let's go to them. Okay. Thank you.
life of a drug dealer is not easy at all. It is not.
Boss, it's not easy at all. Yeah? So that girl now will go to jail for our crimes.
See, let me tell you, that is her business. Yes. When her mother was taking my money, what was she thinking? Huh? Let's go.
Both of you, outside with the car. Next time somebody shows up with money, you ask about the source first. Oh yeah?
If only I had known. I could have let my daughter marry the bicycle repairer. But how was I supposed to know that he's a drug dealer?
I don't care. Outside.
When I was telling you, Mama, I told you I said it.
Because I got to cut the bag. What is I told you? I told you, you can't put on there.
Out.
You just what?
See, we just granted you 1 minute to say whatever you want to say and be fast about it. Just 1 minute.
Do good one back, my love.
Oh, Tom, I love. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I didn't know he's a drug dealer. And now I'm going to jail. I should have listened to you. Even when I missed my flight yesterday, I should have listened to you. It was all my mother's fault. She deceived me. She misled me. I love, please, I'm sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
Save Johnny.
Hey. Let's go. This way.
Ijoma.
Move. My friend, don't waste my time.
My love.
Go down and enter inside the vehicle. Next time, you carry the rope. I'll move you. Move. My friend, move. Thank God you're here. The worst has happened. The worst has happened. Ifesi and the mother, they're in Kirikiri prison. They said Charlie B gave her drugs to sell. and the drug agents caught her. And they nabbed the two of them, put inside Kirikiri prison.
Old story. That one is Old Testament. In fact, let's go to New Testament. Let's talk about something new, because that one is old. It's old news.
You knew about it?
Yes, I know. I know about it. So it is no longer a new news to me. It is old fashioned. We should be talking about something new now. You understand? Wow. Wow. Thank you very much for the information. I will go and see him and go to Papa Neka to find out whatever thing it is. If the condition is going to give me is for me to marry his daughter, then whatever it is has to wait.
Look, she really loves you so much. Just try and know what it's all about. Do you understand? I sincerely believe that a lot will change afterwards.
It's okay, no problem. I have heard you. Thank you very much. Let me reiterate again. As a matter of fact, if I go to that place and the man begin to preach in another one side, preaching, go to the chapter of marry, I will not accept. I will not marry her. And that is final. So if that is what he is planning, or if that is what he wants, then let whatever it is wait until when I'm ready.
So you don't love her enough to get married to her?
Now she didn't come and decide. Or will I decide here, or will I say yes or no?
Go first and go and hear what they have to say.
That is just it. Obioma.
Okay, it's okay.
Obioma, tell her. Those time there is one
Have you started? What is
one doa that time when he come to my grandmother's place. My grandmother calls him.
Will you stop that? What is your problem?
Obioma. It's okay, Obioma.
Do good. You could let me start by apologizing for being part of that madness that took Arukakwa and the face into prison. But the good news is that Charlie B had been arrested, and very soon Ifesi and her mother will soon be released because they've been found not guilty. That is it.
That one is past tense. I no longer dwell in the past. What I want to know, what I'm eager to know is that thing you said Mazi Kenna told you that he had with my father. That is the one I want to know.
Oh, that one. There is nothing to it. What he told me is that there is this piece of land he co-owned with your late father, and that government has taken over that land because they want to erect a high tension across that piece of land. And then because of that, government has decided to pay 22 million naira as compensation. He also said that the church will be cleared by next week. So you can now have your own share of 11 million naira. Yes, I'm sure that was what the daughter heard. And she's so eager and interested in getting married to you.
This cannot be true.
Which of them is not true? That she's eager to marry you because of money, or that the government is going to pay compensation? I saw bulldozers clearing the land already. You people are not the only people who are beneficiaries. There are other beneficiaries. In fact, that man is a good man. Otherwise, he would have just collaborated the money alone. You wouldn't even have heard anything about it.
Yes, Mazi. Brother, if the father is this nice, that means the daughter will be nice as well. She will make the best wife for you.
It's okay. Mazi, Thank you very much for this visit. I cannot wait for next week. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. What a world. Do good. What a life. What a life. Manga.
Eh?
I know you used to tell me how much you loved her. That was before we started dating.
That was then.
As you can see, she's available now and ready for you. You can take her back and do whatever thing you want to do.
Now, do good. I'm not interested. I reject it in Jesus' name.
Okay, you heard what he said. That he's not interested.
My love. Please. I'm sorry. Forgive me, I'm sorry, please. I didn't know what I was doing, please.
My name is Dugud. When you do baptize me to become my love. Okay, Ifes, it's alright. Let me assume I'm my love. That is my new name now, my love. You see, anytime you give or you put to bed that thing you are carrying that was put there by that young man, do not hesitate to call me. In my best ability, with everything I can raise, I will give you. Or go that I can. You use it and buy. Lest I forget. Please, say me well to your mother. Oh, tell her I am greeting. Oh, as you can see, I am heading home. I have so many people to attend to. Exactly. People are waiting for me at home because today I need to make a choice of wife.
Hey, no, you can't leave me. You can't leave me. Because please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
Of course, I'm not leaving you. You left. I'm here. Manga. Hypo. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Manga, don't worry. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. I will talk to you.
It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Nneka, thank you very much. I must thank your kindness. I cannot thank you enough. There is no word I can express how I feel about your goodness. Thank you very much for all your help. You are a nice girl. So as your father, I have every reason to believe that your father is a nice man. For the fact that he gave me what belongs to me. He gave me part of my own share of the money, of which he could have taken the money to himself without anybody knowing. But he made it public, which means your father is a nice man.
Yes.
You know that? Yes. So I am very, very happy, and I must commend your father and also commend you.
Yes, and I will make a very good wife.
Of course, there is no doubt. I am convinced that you here, Nneka, can make a good wife, a better wife. Yes. You understand? Looking at you, judging by your beauty, your magnificency, anybody who sees you will know. Even the blind can testify. The ear can say, the deaf can say yes to it. You will make a very good wife. But I would not want to marry you.
Brother.
It's Obioma here that I want to be with, Obioma, I'm sorry. I have not made this known to you all this while. I have my reasons, okay? And Nneka, please, I don't want you to take it personal. Don't take it like I have anything against you. I mean no harm, okay? I came to realize that all this while you were showering all those cares, assistance to me, you were actually doing them on purpose. It wasn't selfless. You had something attached to the reason you were doing all those things. But Obioma here did everything she did out of her free will, without expecting anything in return. There was no attachment to why she was doing all those things she did. It gave me enough reason to believe that she's the type of woman that I want. That is, if she oblige. Obioma, please. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry that I never said these things to you before now. Please, be my woman.